to that, let me ask Shalom, do you have an artist or someone that you look up to that they inspire you?
Yes.
And you'd love to do a collab with them one day?
Yes.
Who's that?
Guardian Angel.
Guardian. Look at that
Guardian
camera
Angel.
and
wow. Okay.
we can actually make it happen.
Guardian Angel.
Just tumwambie to Guardian, I'd love a collab with you. This is my humble request.
Guardian Angel is watching the show. So mwambie request yako.
First ningetaka kumwambia ni biggest fan wake. Na yeye ni role model wangu. Na one day, and I believe that nitakuja kufanya naye collab.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's done.
Jijo,
that one we will push. Guardian.
Guardian Angel.
Guardian, make it happen.
Yeah, man.
Make it happen. Make it happen.
Please tafadhali.
Yes.
Wacha niongee na
imeniangalia vizuri sasa. Guardian, Shalom is an uprising star, and she says we're your role model, and she would love a collab with you one day.
Please.
Make it happen.
Man.
Adio. Make it happen.
Chukua huyo umtunze, umfanye akue star kama wewe. Guardian Angel, this is a request from Shalom. She's in grade 9. Mtoto ako na sauti mzuri na pia anatamani at least one day ukue Guardian Angel wake.
Yeah, true.
Kama jina yako.
Kabisa.
Yeah.